Coronavirus survivors are so grateful to be alive, they're donating their plasma in hopes of helping others make it like they did.
I had it in all four quadrants of my lungs, upper, lower, both sides.
Pneumonia attacked Ken Thomas's lungs when he came down with the coronavirus in March. He spent a week in the hospital, part of it in the ICU.
At this point, I was really weak. I had severe nausea. I couldn't eat. I couldn't really do much of anything. I could barely get out of bed on my own.
Thomas lost 15 pounds. He says his wife and about 20 people in his friend group got COVID. One of them died. That motivated Thomas and his friends to donate their plasma.
We wanted to give back a little bit just to kind of honor his memory.
Dr. Barry Meisenberg is the director of the Research Institute at Anne Arundel Medical Center.
Convalescent plasma refers to the production of antibodies by a patient who has recovered, who is convalescing from a COVID infection. And the theory is that one could collect these antibodies from a recovered patient and infuse them into a patient who is still struggling with active COVID infection.
It's being used nationwide for patients who are moderately to severely sick. Donors have to be symptom-free for about 4 weeks. They cannot have any active signs of infection. It's an outpatient procedure that takes about an hour and is much like giving blood. Dr. Meisenberg says there's an interest in expanding plasma therapy beyond those who are hospitalized.
There are some studies beginning soon that would allow plasma to be given to people who are infected but not yet sick enough, or people who have just been exposed and not yet infected. They may also benefit from plasma.
We're hoping that the donations that we're making are going to help some people who are really sick get better, and not go through a lot of the things that we've all been through.
The plasma is frozen and stored in a blood bank here and given to a coronavirus patient of the same blood type when needed. In Anne Arundel County, Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.